Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Pat. I'm gonna be telling y'all in this video how to make a website. So be sure to stay tuned for the video. I'm just gonna introduce myself a little bit. My name is Patrick Davidson. Got a web hosting company, Davidson Hosting Solutions. If you are interested in any web hosting, anything like that, be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Also, you can email me through YouTube at Patrick Davidson 1985 at gmail.com. I'll have other email addresses later, but that's the easiest one to give you right now. And yeah, so this video is called How Do I Make a Website? The first step you want to do is you got to purchase a domain name. So you got to come up with an idea for what you want your website to be titled. Then what you do is you go to the domain name provider, which you can do at my website, and then you click in the search bar, search a few names. So you want to search up a name that has to do with your business venture or whatever endeavor you're trying to get into. So like if you sold speakers, then you want to name your website Patrick Davidson Sound. Then you go in and you search that up. If it's available, then you register that with the domain registrar, which again you can do with me also. And you want to purchase a web hosting plan for your website, so you have somewhere to store all your files, which I'll include a link for that if you want to do that. But basically, once you have the domain name and the hosting taken care of, then you would work with me and I would set up everything for you. But you would have to decide what type of interface that you want to use for your website. And when I say interface, what I mean is, do you want your website to be like a WordPress thing where you can go in and kind of edit your pages and stuff yourself after I set it up? It's very simple. If you can use Facebook, then you can use WordPress, because all you literally doing is typing in English or whatever language you're using, adding pictures or videos, and clicking buttons. There's no sort of coding that would be required from you. Everything is run off widgets. So if you got a little time, you can set that up yourself, and have your whole website on unique domain name, web hosting, custom emails, and everything. But if you don't want to do that, you can use a custom HTML website, which a lot of people they're not really using those these days, because it's not really worth the money if you are not like, you don't need like a custom coded website. You can just use a WordPress and still get to the same objective for spending a lot less money. But if you want to do that, then you can have a custom website as well, but you just have to work more with a web developer. Also, you can have an e-commerce website, which if you just want a storefront site to sell your goods on, you can structure it that way so that people go to your site, they click on your items, enter the information, you get the shipping information and the payment directed to where you want it to go to, and then you can have some sort of counter, how many quantities you have left, or stuff like that. Also, you can have an email landing page, which is just simply, if you have an event or something you want people to RSVP for, then you could just send them to a page, that's just a one-page site. They just click a button, enter your info in, you got it stored somewhere where you can do a tally of your numbers, communicate with the people, things like that. But those are just a few of the examples of some of the types of websites that you can make. And after that step, what you want to do is you want to complete the copy for your website. And what I mean by the copy is the actual words on the site. You want to sit down and write down what pages you're going to need, what you want it to say on each page, any pictures you want included. If you want to take new pictures, or if you have pictures already, you want to include certain links to things. You want to just write all that down so that have a certain plan for your website. And what you want to say, what you want people to see when they come to your website. And if you want any design work done, you can do it at this point in the process. You can do it before you start the website. You can do that at any time, but you just want to let me know or something, or let whoever you're working with know that you want to incorporate some design elements and possibly work with a graphic designer as well. And then once the website is strategized, you just put it together, or I will put it together for you. And then we designate a contact/admin person for the website, or you can, if you want to use my services, you can pay me to do that. But if you want to do it yourself, that's, you can just designate your email, and you can do it that way so that you can make your updates. Like I said, if you use WordPress, it's very simple. Once you learn how to use it, it's pretty easy, and it just takes a little time, maybe 20-30 minutes to get familiar with it. And yeah, so that's the video about creating a website. Just a few basic steps that you can kind of get you a framework going. If you want to create a website, just let me know in the comments below, or send me an email at patrickdavidson1985@gmail. That's my regular Gmail. I done had it for a long time, so if you want to do something like that, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you. And if you think this video was any way, shape, or form helpful to you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe it. I really am trying to stay disciplined and consistent with these videos. So if it's actually helping you, I would like to know. And then if you think there's something I can include in the video, I would like to know that as well. But thank you very much, and I'll speak to you guys later.